Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss which is better, OneNote or Evernote. Let's begin. Okay, so OneNote and Evernote are both popular note-taking applications, but they have distinct features and approaches that cater to different user preferences. So to begin with, OneNote is an excellent tool for note-taking, and within each notebook right here, you can create sections and pages to structure your content. OneNote offers various formatting options such as font styles, colors, bullet points, numbering, and indents. You can even highlight, bold, or underline text as needed. And you can insert various types of content into your notes, including images, audio recordings, file attachments, tables, links, and more. It's especially good for visual content like photos or sketches. Now, if you're using a device with a stylus or touch input, OneNote allows for freehand drawing and handwriting. Now, this feature is really great for jotting down quick stretches or annotations. If you want more about OneNote, I suggest you go here at their website. Okay. Now, moving along, we have a separate comparison video for Evernote. But basically, if you haven't checked our channel yet, it's a popular note-taking application that allows users to create, organize, and manage digital notes across various devices. It's designed to help individuals capture ideas, information, and content in a centralized platforms. Now, users can create different types of notes, including text, images, audio recordings, web clippings, PDFs, sketches, and more. Now, it offers a versatile system for organizing notes using notebooks, sections, tags, and a powerful search function. Tags and notebooks help categorize and sort notes for easy retrieval. And a standout feature for Evernote is the ability to clip web pages, articles, or specific sections from website directly into the app, preserving formatting for future references. And it's also available on multiple platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and web, ensuring synchronization and access to notes across devices. Now, users can share notebooks with others, allowing for collaborative work, note sharing, and team collaboration on projects. And Evernote's robust search engine enables users to find text within images, handwritten notes, and scan documents through optical character recognition or OCR. Now, if we hover here down, right here, okay? Now, here's a side-by-side comparison for the subscription plans. As you can see, for the free subscription, it's gonna be $0 per month. And these are the advantages that you can take great notes, create up to 50 notes in one notebook, 60 MB monthly uploads, 25 MB max note size, get organized with home dashboard, and 3 widgets, all right? You can always stay on top of it with in-note tasks, find things fast in search and tags, and clip web pages. And of course, you get to attach PDFs, receipts, files, photos, images, and documents. So I'm a user of both OneNote and Evernote. So I started with a free account, and then I scale up using the personal, which is the $10 per month or $129 per year. You get all the benefits from the free account, but you get a 10 gig monthly uploads to 200 MB max note size. You can connect primary Google Calendar account right here. You can add due dates, reminders, and notifications to your tasks, manage tasks in one place. You can get offline access on mobile and desktop. You can search text inside images, docs, and PDFs. You can even create custom templates, markup images and PDFs. And again, that's for the personal account. Now, if you take another step, which is professional, it's going to be $14 per month and $169 per year. And again, you get twice the monthly upload for 20 gig. That's too much, if you ask me. You can access to all widgets and customization for home. And again, you can connect both personal and workplace Google Calendar accounts, all right? Workplace and personal, you get twice. And you can use Boolean teams to refine search results, find the content by location with a geographic research, and integrate with Slack, Microsoft Teams, and others. All right. And here, if we check here the Evernote teams, because I know someone who is subscribed to Evernote teams, and you can collaborate and share knowledge with to keep your team on the same page. Say, for example, you run a business and you have like a few members on your team. You might want to check the Evernote teams, which is $24 per month. And when we go here, these are the side-by-side comparison for professional and for teams. All right. You can always onboard new team members quickly with a robust training program, dedicated success manager for teams within 25 plus seats. All right. Maintain company ownership of business data. To set up your teams for success, you can work better together with Evernote teams. All right. So if you want more information about Evernote, I suggest you go at their official website. You can compare plans, teams. Okay. Now, moving along. Okay, so the thing is, due to its feature-rich nature, some users might find OneNote slightly complex or overwhelming, especially when starting with the application. Users might occasionally experience syncing delays or performance issues, particularly when dealing with large or heavily formatted notebooks. While available on mobile devices, the functionality might not be as comprehensive compared to the desktop version, leading to a different user experience. Integration with other Microsoft products and services might be a drawback for users who prefer a more agnostic or platform-independent note-taking solution. Now, Evernote's free version has limitations on the number of devices you can use and the amount of data you can upload per month. Premium features are behind the paywall, which might not be suitable for everyone, and some users might find the interface overwhelming due to the extensive features, which might hinder a more straightforward note-taking experience, and offline access to notes is restricted for free users, requiring a premium subscription for consistent offline access across devices. All right. And as always, ultimately, the choice between OneNote and Evernote often depends on personal preferences, workflow requirements, and the specific features that align better with an individual's note-taking and organizational needs. Now, both have free versions that allow users to explore their features before committing to a premium plan. And again, as I've said earlier, you can always go to their official website to check the different platforms to know the ins and outs and pros and cons for each, because I've said that OneNote is a digital note-taking app that provides a single place for keeping all of your notes, research plans, and information, everything you need to remember and manage in your life, at home, work, or at school. Just go here at their website, right, and start your very own digital notebook. So if you use both platforms, you'll get to leverage their features and strength, right? I could say the same for Evernote, all right? It'll give you everything you need to keep life organized, great note-taking, project planning, and easy ways to find what you need and when you need, all right? You can capture anything, keep it together, find it fast, take it anywhere. Remember everything, accomplish anything, and it's flexible. Web clipper, available everywhere, character recognition, app integrations, and web applications. Okay, so what I did in the past when hovering down to Evernote, I was very interested in knowing more about their product. So what I did was, after visiting Need Help, the FAQ section, I went here to contact us. All right, so I wanted to talk with someone. When I click that here, you can contact sales and about Evernote teams. All right. So I did that to get more information, and they were helpful about my questions and inquiries. They are very accommodating, right? So you can do that as well. If, say, for example, you're done with the free membership plan and you're, say, for example, you're scaling up and your team wanted to get more of the Evernote features, I suggest you contact their Evernote team. And then I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.